God said to Abraham, kill me a son. Abe says, man, you must be putting me on. God say, no. Abe say, what? God say, you can do what you want, Abe, but the next time you see me coming, you better run. Abe says, where do you want this killing done? And God says, out on Highway 61.
My sea of loathing, broken your servant I name. It seems what's left of my human side is slowly changing in me. Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no. Sickness is rising. Don't try to deny what you feel. It seems that all that was good has died and is decaying.